Hey friends, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to talk about how you can sell your DRX coins. As you know, there is an official announcement of its listing on Gate.io, which makes it an exciting opportunity for many of us. I'll guide you step by step on how to register, deposit, withdraw, and finally sell your coins. I'll also explain some key points, tips, and troubleshooting, so stay with me till the end. Step 1. Registering on Zone.x portal. The first step is to register yourself on the Zone.x portal. This portal allows you to manage, transfer, and exchange your coins easily. If you don't have sufficient gas fees, don't worry. You will only need around 0.003 gas fee, which is very minimal. If you're short on gas fees, I recommend you buy some because the listing is expected to go live around 4 a.m. Step 2. Preparing your Gate.io account. To sell or transfer your DRX coins, you need a verified account on Gate.io. Here's what you need to do. 1. Complete your KYC verification. Without verification, deposits won't reflect in your account. Go to the Gate.io website or app and follow their steps to verify your identity. It's straightforward and usually takes a few minutes. 2. Access the deposit section. Once verified, go to the deposit section on Gate.io. Search for DRX in the list of coins. 3. Copy the deposit address. After selecting DRX, Gate.io will show you a deposit address. Copy this address carefully. If you make any mistake here, your coins could be lost permanently. Step 3. Withdrawing coins from the X portal. Now that you have your Gate.io deposit address, you can withdraw the coins from the X portal. Follow these steps. 1. Open the X portal. Log into your X portal account. Paste the Gate.io deposit address that you copied earlier. 2. Enter the transfer details. Specify the amount of DRX coins you want to send. If you want to convert your coins to dollars or another currency, the portal also provides options for that. 3. Confirm the transaction. Verify all the details carefully. Keep in mind that the withdrawal fee is around 0.003. Wait for the transaction to reflect. Once you confirm the transaction, it will take around 5 to 10 minutes for the coins to reflect in your Gate.io account. Some people get confused and worried during this step. Let me assure you that it's normal for the transfer to take a few minutes, so don't panic. Step 4. Selling your coins on Gate.io. After the coins arrive in your Gate.io wallet, it's time to sell them. Here's what you need to do. 1. Go to the trade section. On Gate.io, click on the trade button. You will see a list of trading pairs. Select the DRX pair, e.g., DRX/USDT. 2. Set the selling price. There are 2 ways to sell your coins. Market order, sell instantly at the current market price. Limit order, set a price you are willing to sell at and wait for the market to reach your target price. I recommend checking the live price before selling. If you think the price will increase, you can hold your coins and wait. 3. Confirm and sell. Enter the amount of DRX you want to sell and click sell. The sold coins will be converted into USDT or your selected currency, depending on the trading pair you chose. Troubleshooting common issues. 1. Coins not reflected immediately. If you don't see your coins in Gate.io after withdrawal, don't panic. Transactions can sometimes take longer due to network congestion. Wait for 5 to 10 minutes, and your coins should appear. 2. Gas fee issues. If you don't have enough gas fees, transactions won't be completed. Always keep a small reserve for gas fees. 3. Choosing the right listing price. Many friends get confused about the expected price shown on apps. Remember, these prices are only approximate predictions. Always check the current live price before selling. Final tips. Double-check all addresses and details during the deposit and withdrawal process. One small mistake could result in losing your coins. If you're new to trading, start with smaller amounts until you get comfortable with the process. Keep track of updates and announcements about DRX listings or new coins. Early opportunities like this can sometimes bring great rewards. That's it for today's video, friends. I hope I was able to explain the process of how to sell your Dr. X coins step by step. If you still have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments section below. Also, let me know. How many Dr. X coins have you mined so far? Are you mining any other projects? Share your experience with us in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it so that others can benefit as well. And don't forget to subscribe to the Crypto Hook channel for more updates and tutorials on cryptocurrency, trading, and airdrops. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and happy earning.